In this tutorial, we'll be going over how to set up a Volume DSP campaign for native ad traffic. Navigate to the native campaign form by going to the Campaigns tab. Click on the green New Campaign button and select New DSP Campaign from the drop-down menu. Then choose Native. Basics. Start with setting your campaign status. A green toggle means the campaign will be active once accepted, and a gray toggle means it is paused. Remember that when active, your campaign will start running immediately when approved as long as your DSP account balance is topped up. The campaign approval status shows if your campaign is accepted or rejected by our campaign approval team. Assign a workspace to your campaign. Enter a unique campaign name. Next, go to the destination section. You can choose between a destination URL leading straight to the offer. When entering a destination URL, you can use any of the available URL tokens, or a pre-made flow, which should be used if you have a lander in your flow. Advertiser domain. You should put the domain which refers to the home website of the owner of the advertised offer. For example, if you run a campaign advertising Candy Crush, you should enter king.com. It cannot be a link to the App Store. Remember to remove HTTP or www from that field. Payout. This option will define the revenue model for your campaign. Here you should enter the amount of money you earn when reaching a certain goal. Capping. Frequency capping. By default, your ad will be displayed a maximum of 3 times per day per device, which is the recommended setup. Impression capping per widget. By default, your ad will be displayed a maximum of 1 impression per single native widget, which is the recommended setup. Under Time Settings, you'll find the day parting section where you can set the start and end date of your campaign, as well as the hours you want your campaign to run. If you leave default settings, your campaign will run 24/7 until it reaches its assigned budget.